Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this Descript, or it's a tool to change your text to speech. It's just like an AI tool out there since ChatGPT came out. Most of the AI things became a trend. So this is one of the apps that helps you type anything and transfer it to speech. It's a text to speech application, okay? So first things first, of course, if you have a pen and paper, please write down the steps as you follow. So this should be the landing page. Please go to this website. It's going to be www.descript.com and just sign in or sign up. So I just want to let you know, guys, that this is a third-party app. You're going to download the app itself, install it for your PC. It's not like any other websites out there that has their application within the website. This is different. So once you download it, it should look like this. Okay, a black background back here, and just log in using your Gmail. So once you're here, since we're gonna do text to speech, please click on voices. Because this is the landing page, please click on voice right there. Click on create new voice. Click confirm. Just gonna ask you to upgrade to Pro, which is the paid version. So you have 1 hour of transcripting remaining. Upgrade to increase your transcription limit. So that being said, this is still the free trial. So I have a few options here. I have choose a file to transcribe. If you have a Word document that you want to transcribe, that's fine. If you want to record or start writing. Let's just start writing right here since this is text to speech. Okay? Let me start typing a random phrase here. Let's just say hello. I am Tony Stark. And I am Iron Man. Simple as that. Now from here, with that simple sentence like that, click the speaker right here. You have an option to use your own voice or just use the stock voices right here. Let's just choose Malcolm or Ethan. Okay? Once you click a choice voice there or specific stock voices, you have to wait for 2 to 5 minutes, I think, because they're gonna download. They're gonna finish downloading this sentence into that voice. Once you see these lines right there, you're good to go. So I'm just gonna quietly check my audio here so you can capture the speech. Okay?
Hello, I am Tony Stark and I am Iron Man. Hello, I am Tony Stark and I am Iron Man.
Perfect. So I hope you heard that. That's how it works. And from here now you can just save it and download it to your computer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.